Today I'm cooking Thai red curry chicken using my homemade authentic Thai red curry paste. It's very fragrant, creamy, and mild spicy with chicken so tender and tasty. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 730 grams of chicken cut and washed. This is from half a chicken, 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk, 500 ml of water, 200 grams of brown eggplants, which is optional, 120 grams of long beans, 40 grams of red chilli, 180 grams of full anchor beans, 30 grams of basil leaf, washed and plucked, 230 grams of red curry paste. This is homemade, 7 kaffir lime leaves, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. All these vegetables are washed and will be cut into bite-sized pieces. First, marinate the chicken. Sprinkle about 3/4 of salt over the chicken. Leave about 1/8 teaspoon aside. Rub the chicken, spreading the salt evenly. Leave it aside. Let's cook the Thai red curry. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the coconut milk, the kaffir lime leaves. Give it a stir to submerge the leaf into the coconut milk. Simmer for 2 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil, stirring occasionally to distribute the heat evenly. This helps prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 2 minutes, the coconut milk is boiling and there is a lovely fragrance of coconut and kaffir lime leaves. Add in the red curry paste, stirring to mix for 1 minute or until well incorporated. When there are no more white streaks of the coconut milk, add the chicken. Stir to evenly coat the chicken with the red curry gravy evenly. Scrape the red curry paste off the spatula. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Be sure to stir occasionally in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. While waiting for the chicken to cook, prepare the vegetables. With a handful of long beans, remove the tips, then cut to about 2.5 inches in length. Adjust the length individually and remove the tip from the other end as well. Place them in a bowl and set aside. Remove the tips of the full anchor beans as well, cutting them slantingly about 2 inches in length. Place them in a bowl and leave aside. Prepare a bowl filled with water. Remove the stems of the round eggplant. Cut them into wedges. Submerge the cut eggplant completely in the water. This slows their oxidation rate, preventing them from turning dark fast. Set aside. Let's check on the red curry chicken. After 15 minutes, open the lid. Wow, the smell is so amazing. Stir to rotate the chicken. The red curry gravy is boiling and the chicken has released some juice as well. Add 500 ml of water. Stir to mix the gravy well. Add the balance of the salt, fish sauce, and sugar. Stir to mix until incorporated. Cover the pot, raise the heat to medium, and cook for another 10 more minutes. Next, remove the chili stems and cut the chili into strips. If a less spicier curry is preferred, remove the seed and pits. I prefer mine to be spicy, so I am keeping the seeds. Place them in a bowl and set aside. After 10 minutes, open the lid. The red curry chicken is boiling vigorously. Give it a stir. Drain the water from the eggplant wedges. Drop them gently into the curry, evenly distributing them. Next, drop in the cut long beans and 4 anchored beans. With a spatula, gently push the vegetable into the curry. Do not stir as the eggplant take a longer time to cook than the long beans and anchor beans. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Now we can stir the red curry chicken. The eggplants are almost cooked and the gravy has reduced a lot. Give it a taste. Wow, so delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred. For me, it's already perfect. Add the chili strip and the basil leaf. Stir them into the curry. The heat will soften both chilies and basil leaf. Switch off the heat. Break the kaffir lamb leaves into half and garnish the red curry. Cover the pot for the heat to slightly soften the kaffir lamb leaves. This releases its fragrance later, and the Thai red curry chicken is done. Let's dish out and serve. This Thai red curry chicken is super fragrant. It is best enjoyed with a helping of white rice. Today, I will have it with a fluffy brown rice. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious! The red curry is mildly spicy, creamy, and full of herbs. The chicken is very tender, while the eggplant is soft and has absorbed the gravy. My family will surely want second serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!